Plant FAQs. Begonia Manaus. Begonia Manaus, your guide to this uncommon beauty. Hi, Fervu here. As a plant enthusiast, I've come across some truly unique varieties, and the Begonia Manaus is definitely one of them. This trailing begonia boasts stunning features and thrives in the right conditions. If you're curious about this fuzzy wonder, you've come to the right place. In this FAQ, I'll answer all your burning questions about the Begonia Manaus, from its origins and appearance to care tips and common challenges. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia Manaus? The Begonia Manaus is a hybrid begonia, a cross between two captivating Brazilian species, Begonia solimitata and Begonia thelmi. It inherits characteristics from both parents, resulting in a visually striking plant. What does the Begonia Manaus look like? The Manaus is known for its trailing growth habit, similar to its parent, Begonia thelmi. But the visual star of the show is its foliage. The leaves are a captivating mix of dark and light green, boasting a beautiful textural element thanks to a covering of tiny red hairs. These fuzzy red hairs give the plant a truly unique appearance, making it a conversation starter in any indoor space. Is the Begonia Manaus similar to other begonias? There are many begonia varieties out there, each with its own charm. Here's a quick comparison of the Manaus to two popular choices. Begonia rex. The Begonia rex is known for its vibrantly colored and patterned leaves. While the Manaus boasts interesting texture, its color palette is more subdued. Begonia boliviensis. This begonia is known for its cascading clusters of pink or red flowers. The Manaus, however, has a more subtle floral display with tiny white blooms. What are the light requirements for a Begonia Manaus? The Begonia Manaus prefers medium to bright indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so avoid placing it in a south-facing window. East or west-facing windows with filtered light are ideal. How often should I water my Begonia Manaus? The key to watering a Begonia Manaus is to avoid extremes. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out before watering thoroughly. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so err on the side of underwatering. Does the Begonia Manaus need high humidity? This is where the Manaus shines. It thrives in high humidity environments. If your home is on the drier side, consider using a humidifier or placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water. What kind of soil does the Begonia Manaus prefer? A well-draining potting mix is essential for the Begonia Manaus. Opt for a mix specifically formulated for African violets or aroid plants. These mixes typically contain perlite or orchid bark for optimal drainage. Does the Begonia Manaus need fertilizer? During the growing season, spring and summer, you can fertilize your Begonia Manaus with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength every 2 to 4 weeks. However, avoid fertilizing during the winter months when the plant is less active. How do I propagate a Begonia Manaus? Propagating the Begonia Manaus is relatively simple. You can take stem cuttings with at least 2 nodes. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone and plant it in a pot with moist soil. Keep the cutting warm and humid, and it should root within a few weeks. What are common pests and diseases to watch out for? Like most indoor plants, the Begonia Manaus can be susceptible to common houseplant pests like mealybugs and spider mites. Regularly inspect your plant and treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Fungal diseases can also occur with improper watering. Ensure good air circulation and avoid wetting the leaves directly to prevent fungal issues. Where can I buy Begonia Manaus? The Begonia Manaus might not be readily available at your local garden center. However, you can find it online from specialty plant nurseries or online marketplaces like Etsy. Final thoughts on the Begonia Manaus. The Begonia Manaus is a captivating addition to any indoor plant collection. Its unique fuzzy foliage and trailing habit make it a conversation starter. With proper care, including providing medium to bright indirect light, well-draining soil, and moderate watering, you can enjoy this tropical beauty for years to come. If you're looking for a unique and conversation-starting plant that thrives in high humidity, the Begonia Manaus is definitely worth considering. With a little TLC, this fuzzy wonder will reward you with its captivating beauty.